Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to review this GTRanger chair. It's a chair I bought on Amazon for only $100 and let's see if it's good value for your money or if it's not worth it. So first I'm going to take a look at the packaging. So my chair didn't come with any sort of protective foam or anything, but it did come with bubble wrap around some of the smaller parts. The GTRanger comes in a few different color options. There is a blue one, a red one, a black one, and one that's red with cloth seats. This is the one I chose. The GTRanger comes with very simple instructions and every part needed for the base in a separate box, such as the legs, the wheels, and the screws. It even comes with an Allen key, which means you don't need any extra tools for the assembly, which is a very nice touch. I had some trouble installing this part. Basically, you're supposed to install it with the curvature part facing up, and this part's installed into the seat of the chair without any trouble. There wasn't any instructions on how to install the pillows, so I kind of figured this out by myself. The smaller of the two pillow, which is annoyingly not in shot here, wraps around the headrest, and the larger of the two pillow goes under the seat and back into the two holes on top of the chair, and that clips on the back. This pillow can slide up and down depending on your seating position. The padding on the chair seat is very minimal, although it does the job pretty well. The chair at its lowest point measures about 45 centimeters, and at its highest measures about 52 centimeters. Unlike the GT Racing, which is a more expensive version of this chair, this one doesn't come with a rotatable armrest, and they're not padded, but they do adjust in height about 7 centimeters. Also, unlike the GT Racing, the GTRanger only rotates down to about 165 degrees, stated on the website, as compared to the 180 degrees of the GT Racing. At the time of purchase, the GTRanger was only $139 Canadian, which is about $100 US. Right now, the exact same chair I purchased is unavailable, but there seems to be an upgraded one with Bluetooth speakers for only $60 more. My final verdict: if you're looking for a cheap gaming chair that does mostly everything that other expensive chairs do, then the GTRanger won't disappoint you. Thank you for watching. Well, there's one way to open it.